Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show step-by-step tutorial on how to change your nickname on AliExpress account. So first we're going to go to our AliExpress app. Then next we're going to click on the account section. Then next we're going to click on the settings on the top right corner. Then again you're going to click on profile. As you can see there's the nickname option, you're going to click on it and write your nickname on the first section. Don't change the second section as it doesn't apply to it. As you can see, the nickname has been changed, and as I told you, the second part usually is not edited, since they won't apply the changes to that. So this is how you do it. We also have different videos in our how-to tutorials. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.